Hello, welcome to my tutorial. Today I am going to explain about text decoration. Okay, what is the use of text decoration and how to use it? Okay. Text decoration having these properties: underline, overline, line through, none, underline, and you can do combination of the underline and overline. Let's say if you want to write some underline to some heading or some paragraph, you can use this underline. If you want to put some line on top of the element, you can use this one. If you want to give the line through the element, through the text, you can use this line through. None means default, there will be no underline will come. You can use combination of underline and overline both, so both top and bottom both lines will come. Let's see how to use this text decoration. Let's create one HTML file, text decoration .html. Start with some basic HTML. Let's write HTML inside the two sections. One is head element, after that body element. Inside head you can write some title of the, let's say, text decoration. Inside body you can write, let's say if you have some heading, h1, hello, I am heading 1, you can say. Let's say you have h2 also. Now let's see how to use the text decoration property. Okay, first we'll save it and run in the browser. Let's close other things. See here, two paragraphs, two headings are coming. This is heading 1 and this is heading 2. Let's apply some text decoration. The first property, underline. So you can write some internal CSS style. Inside style you can using the selector, let's say text decoration underline. Let's see what will come here. Underline means, see here, underline means down it is coming. Okay, if you want, this is underline. Let's say if you want to apply for overline, means top of the text it will come. Let's see how it will come. For h2 will write it, text decoration overline. Now let's see for h2 I have written overline on top of the text, line is coming, that is overline. Now let's go to line through. What is line through? Let's go to, let's create one more element. For h3 let's write text decoration overline. Overline means, what is this? Sorry, not overline, line through. Third one is the line through. Okay, line through. Let's save it. Let's see. See, in between the text line is going, that is means line through the text, this line is going. And what is the fourth one? Fourth one is the none means text decoration won't be there, that line will not come. By default for paragraph or headings or divs, for any element, that line will not come, so we need not to do anything. But this is the default, actually default property. Let's say I want to give this combination also, I can give underline as well as overline for any element like this. You can give the space and you can apply both properties. Let's create one more element, h4. For h4 we'll apply both text decoration underline as well as overline. Both I can apply using the space. See now, top and bottom both are coming. If you want to apply, you can give this line through also. Let's see how it will come. Line through. Let's see now in between also coming line. Generally people will use top and bottom line, so line through won't use most of the people. So yeah, this is the text decoration property. So you can use underline as well as overline. Overline means on top of the text it will come. Line through means this in between the text line will go. You can apply combination of underline and overline both using this space. Okay. Some people will get doubt, we can use for HR also. HR will useful for horizontal line. Let's see how, what is the difference bit now. I given HR is giving complete line. So whatever the browser, this width, complete width it is taking, but this text decoration is taking only the text. Till here only text is there. So for only for text, this text decoration property is applying. If you use HR will give horizontal line, complete browser width it will take that horizontal line. So if we want to give some line to only text, then we can use text decoration instead of HR tag. If you want to write complete width some line, you can use HR, otherwise you can use text decoration. So I'm just removing. So yeah, that's it. If you want to apply some border top and bottom and in middle, you can use this text decoration property. That's it. Thank you so much.